I'm going to check in with our first alert chief meteorologist because, Scott, you've got quite the scene behind you.
Yeah, it looks scary. SLC, scary looking clouds, not as severe. We have outflow boundaries moving their way over parts of Dallas County. You can kind of see that right now. All severe warnings have dropped below severe limits. But as you take a look at the radar right now, see that thin green line right there? That's the outflow boundary from the storms that were further to the east in parts of Rockwall County and Kaufman County as they weakened, pushed out that boundary. So that's what you're seeing over parts of Tarrant County, also into parts of Dallas County. That storm has continued to push its way further down towards the east and to the southeast right now. You're able to see through parts of Van Zandt County into Kaufman County a strong thunderstorm moving east-southeast at 20 miles per hour. And with it, a lot of heavy rain falling right along 20 between Ken to near Van, even up to near Wills Point. At times, maybe some nickel-sized hail as we zoom our way down just a little bit more right along Highway 19 near Fruitvale, Edgewood. That's where we also have some of that heavier rain holding together. And looking at the hail, you can see maybe a hail up to the size of a quarter east side of Kaufman County, but a lot of it is pea-sized hail, so to nickel-sized hail. That hail's coming down just a bit more. So the larger view shows all of the warnings have been dropped. We have some heavier rain right along the border of Navarro County and Henderson County through the metroplex. Not a whole lot happening for us, even though we have that outflow boundary moving through. The threat still is there. That's why I issued an alert through 10 o'clock tonight, because there is this severe thunderstorm watch coming from the National Weather Service, including all of the metroplex and the counties where we have seen severe weather this late afternoon, now going into the evening hours. Matches right up to where there's that slight risk of severe storms for today, now into tonight. Now, the first alert futurecast shows that activity off to the east southeast tapering off just a bit. And now we're going to watch to see if the potential of some of these storms up towards our northwest will work their way in after midnight, 2, 3, 4 in the morning through parts of North Texas, pretty much 20 and north of that, and then shift its way to the east. Cloud cover to start out your day, but then this is on the way. This heat dome just builds as we go into the weekend, into midweek next week. It's going to be right overhead, and we're going to be baking even more for us. So there is a heat advisory that remains in effect. Ellis County all the way over through parts for Somerville, Hood County. Those feels like temperatures up to 108. Right now we're 84, feeling like 88 at DFW because of those winds shifting around. We're at 89 in Arlington, 73 though in McKinney, where we've had the rain cooled air in the low 70s right now. Feeling though like 102 in Arlington, where you haven't seen the rain. And across North Texas, feeling like 101 in Stephenville to 103 in Mineral Wells. So I want to show you real fast your first alert 7-day forecast. Heat dome builds in. We're up to 106 by Wednesday.